Hi, my name is Dmitry Surdu and I am CEO of Kray Technologies. Kray Technologies develops the world's most efficient drone spraying technology, which will replace existing ground and aerial sprayers, reducing application cost tenfold. Since 2016, we have finished 3 generations of a radically new drone design, and now we have a mass production candidate. Kray Technologies has $250,000 in secured revenue from systems sold and 75,000 in committed paid pallets for this year. Farmers are restricted in agronomic decisions because of high crop spraying costs. For example, the ideal number of foliar applications for fertilization of wheat should be at least 4 per growing season. This would add an enormous $50 more to the cost per acre. This high cost of spraying prevents the adoption of precision agriculture practices and makes huge yield gaps worldwide. Meanwhile, by 2050, food production must increase by 50%, and so must the farmers' yields. So, we created Kray Protection, the radically cheaper solution. Kray Protection is a 13-feet wingspan drone for crop dusting and plant nutrition. With a maximum working speed of 70 miles per hour, it covers 1,200 acres per day. Kray Protection flies steadily 3 feet above the crop at this speed and charges droplets with the electrostatic charge, addressing the problem of spray drifts. Kray Protection is fully autonomous from takeoff to landing. Hybrid computer vision reconstructs the actual terrain, adjusts heights and plant trajectory accordingly, and avoids any obstacles in its way. More importantly, Kray Protection cuts application cost by 90% to less than $1 per acre. This enables precision agronomy on an unprecedented level, especially needed in regenerative no-till farming. Timely crop protection and multi-split fertilization push yields to the maximum, allowing a profitable switch into carbon capture in agriculture. Currently, we sell drones, but in 2 years we will be selling digital services. The farmer or agronomist will share their field boundaries and prescription with Kray. Kray will process the order automatically, arrive to the field on the requested date, and spray the field as planned. Our vision of the future is inexpensive, fully unmanned field sprayings that are as frequent as needed and driven by real-time agronomic decisions. Our plan is to make the transition from the product model where we sell system for $60,000 to spray as a service model where we provide the price of $1 per acre. Why this low price? We expect farmers will shift towards more sprayings. And how Kray will make this transition? We split the next 24 months into 2 stages. Stage 1 will consist of paid pallets with strategic partners including some of biggest AG chemical companies, innovator farmers and drone operators. During this stage, Kray will generate $900,000 in revenue from sales of 15 drones with gross margin of over 50%. We will introduce spraying as a service in stage 2, priced at $6 per acre with gross profit of 600%. As we scale as our spraying as a service model, we will eventually drive the total cost of ownership to just 30 cents and cost to customer to $1 per acre. In addition to 5 drones that customers have already prepared for and which we plan to deliver this year, Kray Technologies has received requests for quotes for 500 drones. This translates to revenue of approximately $13 million. This had happened with zero marketing or PR budget, and that's what inspired us to pursue a service model. Currently, 100% of our sales and 70% of demand comes from the United States and Canada, which are our strategic markets. In the spray as a service model, we address the market of 500 million acres just in the United States and Canada, which represents a $12 billion total addressable market. Globally, our total market estimation is $130 billion and our serviceable market $40 billion annually. We are raising $10 million Series A for speeding up the deployment of spray as a service business and plan to be profitable within the first year of operation. We have a dedicated team that had already contributed 80 people years of hard work. Maxim Surdu is our Chief Business Development Officer. He is an experienced entrepreneur and his previous ventures generated $100 million in annual net profit. And I am Dmitry Surdu, inventor and CEO. My career sphere is focused on the design of complex high-precision systems. Kray is positioned to make revolutionary changes in the industry. Similar exits include Blue River and Zoox, and our expected return on equity suggests tremendous opportunity for this investment. Thank you for your attention.